Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App transfer pending problem. First, let's understand what pending means. When a transfer is pending, it means Cash App has not completed the payment yet. This usually happens because of internet issue, bank delays, or security check. The first thing you should check is the internet connection. For that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. It will open Control Center. Here, make sure your phone is connected with strong Wi-Fi or mobile data. A weak connection can stop the transfer from completing. Next, check your Cash App balance. If there are not enough funds, the transfer may stay pending or fail. Also, make sure your debit card or the bank account is linked correctly and not expired. Another reason is Cash App Secure View. If the payment looks unusual, Cash App may hold for the security reasons. In this case, wait for a few minutes and check if the Cash App asks you to confirm your identification. If the transfer is still pending, close the app and reopen it, log out and log back in. You can also restart your phone. Check for the update. For that, go to the App Store of your iPhone and make sure your app is up to date. Sometimes old version can cause this problem. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.